Hi first graders, today we're going to work on the R sound like artist, spelled with A-R, and we're also going to work on the OR sound like orange, spelled with O-R and O-R-E. So first, I'm going to go over some words that have the R sound like artist, that are spelled with A-R, that make the R sound. Can you say R? R, like artists or art. So I have some words that have the R sound, like artists. So do you see AR in the middle? It makes the R sound, like artists. R, farm. I took the kids to the farm and we picked fruits and vegetables. And we saw the horses and the pigs at the farm. Okay, the next word, do you see AR? It makes R, like artist. R, car. This is my son's little toy car. The next word, do you see AR? It makes R, like artist. R, scarf. Scarf. I have a scarf right here. You can wear a scarf in the spring. You can wear like a light scarf to dress up your outfit, or you can wear a heavy scarf in the winter to keep your body warm when it's really cold. Okay, the next word with the R sound. Here we go. You see AR, it makes R, like artist. Art. Start. Let's turn on the engine to start the car. My next word, you see AR in the middle? It makes the R sound. Ard. Card. I sent my mom a happy birthday card in the mail. Okay, so those are our AR words that make R like artists. Now I'm going to go over some words that make the OR sound like orange. Here we go, our first word. And remember, OR makes the OR sound like orange, and ORE too. Here we go. You see the OR sound in the middle? It makes OR, like orange. Orc, fork. I use my fork to eat some cake for dessert. Fork. The next word. Ooh, do you see OR? It makes OR, like orange. Or, corn. They call it an ear of corn. I ate corn with my tacos for dinner. We love to eat corn in our family. Our next word we have is, it has OR in the middle again, and the first two letters make sh, like shell. Short, short. And our next word we have is, you see OR in the middle? It makes OR, like orange. Horn, horn. My dad honked the horn because the car was driving too close to us. And our last word is thorn, thorn. And I wanted to show you a thorn. Here's my rose over here. And you want to get closer, Charlie, to show them the thorns? So thorns are on some plants, and here are some thorns on the rose plant. You see right here sticking out? You want to be careful when you're getting close to a plant that has thorns. The thorns are there to protect the rose from animals and from predators. It's there to protect itself, to keep it safe. Okay, so let's go over our words one more time. Let's go over our R words. I want you to help me read them. Okay, here we have, help me read them, first graders. Card, start. You read them with me. Let's see if you can read the word before I read it. Scarf, car, farm. Okay, let's go over our or words like orange. Let's see if you can read the word before I read it. Fork, corn, short, horn, and thorn. Okay, first graders, so now you can work on your Lexia pages and go over the or sound and the R sound in your homework packet. We'll see you later.